Hey, I'm Matt. I'm a designer from Sydney, Australia, and I'm also a subscriber to a service called LOT2046. For those of you who haven't heard of LOT2046, the premise is actually quite simple. It's a subscription service that you sign up for online, and every single month they'll send you a supply of black clothing. So it kind of gets you forming a uniform, something that you wear every day that is plain, simple and black. That's a premise that I'm totally down with. I've always loved black clothing, and I've become a really big fan and supporter of this business. I think on the surface it seems quite simple, but I think it has a room to grow into something truly innovative and something really interesting. The unboxing of LOT2046 provides a really great experience for the customer. It's something truly unique and something that is my favorite component of the brand and the business. So I thought that would be something really interesting to kind of do on YouTube as a video. So what I'm going to walk you through now is the kind of unboxing and unwrapping experience of a LOT2046 shipment.
Cool, so what we can see here is the LOT package that we receive in the mail. So you can see it's a pretty stock standard plastic poly mailer. It's shipped from Hong Kong. Just a standard kind of plastic mailer here with a standard, Hong Kong label. It's got the LOT branding on the outside. So let's open and see what's inside. I think recently LOT have actually changed the actual packaging of the items. Previously it was a lot of plastic. It was a lot of plastic individual items, but now what you can see here is more of a cardboard kind of recycled paper style packaging. I think that's something they improved upon after getting a lot of feedback from the user base about how unenvironmentally friendly the packaging was. So what we can see here is that everything comes individually wrapped. We've got the 4 items here. We've got the shoes, underwear, socks, the t-shirt and a jumper, and they're all in these neat little individual kind of vacuum sealed cardboard parcels, and each package includes a QR code, which you can see here, and some form of identification label. But I'm really excited about these shoes. I haven't got the shoes before, so let's have a look at these. So they come wrapped together in these 2 rubber bands, and they kind of just look like a stock standard Vans shoe. This is, I think, a jumper. But yeah, let's get into these shoes. Let's take these rubber straps off. Let's peel that off. That doesn't peel off. It's just a rubber strap. Let's get that off. These are strapped in pretty tight, I guess, to kind of reduce the weight of the parcel. But yeah, here we can kind of see 2 standard canvas, black skate style shoes, pretty similar to like a Vans authentic shoe. The only difference, I guess, is the sole inside. It has the LOT kind of branding on the inside there. That's kind of cool. It's got these tubular kind of shoelaces, and then along the heel here we have this digital kind of printing. It says my name there, Matthew Vernon. That's pretty cool. But yeah, just a pretty stock standard, neat black shoe. I really like it. So moving on from the shoes, what I guess I'll open up next is the underwear. So this is a fan favorite from the LOT2046 user base. I've heard a lot of people really like these underwear, and I agree with them. They're a very nice, neat and tidy, simple pair of underwear, plain black. They're really comfortable. I guess they're pretty similar to a pair of Calvin Kleins. So you can see they're kind of wrapped up in this little Velcro strap. It's got the LOT branding on it, so it's all locked in place there. It's all folded in on itself. So we take the strap off, we unfold the underwear, and yeah, as you can see, it's a nice, neat pair of LOT2046 underwear. It's got a pretty simple kind of branding woven label on the back of the underwear here. But yeah, they're really nice, super comfy, super high quality, really good product. So after the underwear, what I'll open up now are the socks. So with the LOT2046 subscription, there's actually two different types of socks you can order. The first and the default pair of socks is a black plain dress sock, and that's what I had for my first few months of my subscription. But I recently changed it to this pair of athletic socks, and the only difference is that it's a bit more stretchy, I guess. The spandex and the cotton of the sock is a lot more stronger, and it has this very tall LOT branding down the side. But they're still, long plain black socks. I actually prefer these a lot better than the dress socks. I feel like the dress socks are a lot more simpler and minimal and understated. These ones obviously have that deep rested branding on the foot. So yeah, another really great product here by LOT2046, really high quality. So moving on from the socks, what I'm going to open next is the sweater, the crew neck jumper. So I actually received this product before, and I ordered it in I believe it was an XL, and when I received it, it was massive, it was gigantic, it didn't fit me at all. So I actually adjusted my sizing in the LOT2046 dashboard. And a good thing that LOT2046 will do is if you update your sizing, they will resend you a updated size in your next package free of charge. So that's what I've got here. I've got the jumper, and this time it's in a size large. So hopefully it fits a bit better. But yeah, as you can see, it's kind of, again, just like all the other LOT2046 products, it's a plain, simple, crew neck sweatshirt. But as you can see, it also has this very subtle embroidery on the back. It has the numbers 2046. Inside, you've also got the standard LOT woven label on the neck. But yeah, overall, a pretty, high quality, but also not that great, plain black sweatshirt. So if that's something you're into, yeah, it's definitely something you'll enjoy. So last but not least, the next thing we'll be opening up is the t-shirt. So out of the entirety of the LOT2046 product line, I believe this is the one that they've changed and updated the most. I originally had a lot of bad feedback about this t-shirt. The first couple versions of it I received weren't that great. It was very slim, and the sizing was off, and the cotton and the construction of the t-shirt wasn't that great. But this one is actually pretty nice. So as you can see, again, pretty much just like the sweatshirt, it's a very simple plain black t-shirt, but it also has the 2046 embroidery on the back. I think they've done a lot of work on this product, and they have listened to feedback, and they have redesigned the construction of it, because I've been wearing it, and it's a really, really nice t-shirt. Cotton could be a little heavier for my liking, but the construction of it is nice, the sizing of it is nice, and overall it's just a really, really nice t-shirt. So that's it. That's what you get in a monthly LOT2046 standard plan subscription. So you get the t-shirt, pair of socks, pair of underwear, and this time a pair of shoes and a sweatshirt. Obviously it changes each month, and you'll get new exciting products every month. But overall, I'm fairly happy with my subscription, and I'll continue subscribing.